Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a new dance tutorial for you. It's another Filipino rap R&B music, alright? The song is from the group called Battalion. The title is Ikaw kasi. Alright, let's start. Alright, let's start. From here, you need to open your legs like this. Then close, cross. 1, drop on 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, step back on 7 and 8. So you need to tingkayan, galibeya. One more time. Sorry, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, back, 7, 8. Alright? Next, you're gonna go back. 1, step right to the back. 1, 2. Then step back. 3 and 4. Then lean to your right. 5, face 6. Bull chains on 7 and 8. Alright, one more time from here. 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Go 5, 6, 7 and 8. Alright, let's try first and second 8. Here we go. On 5, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. Next, move forward a little bit. Very easy, just go front. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright? Then roll 5, 6, then 7, punch on 8. One more time. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So next, you're gonna cross 1, 2, up, 3, and 4. For this one, you're gonna jump to your right. 5, shoulder, 6, 7, close on 8. One more time. So from here, 6, 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's combine third and fourth. So for the third, 8 is 7, and go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Alright, next from here, you're gonna go drag. Go 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop on 5, throw it 6, close on 8. One more time. 5, 6, 7, and then right, left, and 6, 7, 8. Good job. Next, from here, you're gonna go front. 1, 2, 3, close on 4. Ball chains on 5, 6, turn around 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, close on 4. One more time. From here, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, so from here goes 1, 2, 3, 4. We're gonna go to the right, then left first. 5, 6, 7, and 8. Alright, for the last 8, you're gonna step your right to the back. 1, 2, 3, end up on 4. Then cross on 5, 6, shoulder right, 7, and 8. That's it. One more time. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Close on 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. Now let's try all of it from the beginning. Alright? We do super slow. Here we go. In 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Punch. 1, 2, 3, 4. Shoulder. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job! Thank you so much guys for watching. Hope you like that simple choreography that we made today. If you like that kind of content on my videos, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Alright? See you soon. Bye-bye.